guided meditation for positive energy. Welcome to this guided meditation for positive energy. My name is Your Name, and I'm here to help you find a moment of peace and rejuvenation. Take this time for yourself to recharge and embrace the positive energy that surrounds you. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Start by bringing your awareness to your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a moment. Now exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Continue to breathe deeply, allowing your breath to become slow and natural. With each inhalation, imagine drawing in calmness, and with each exhalation, release any negativity or stress. Feel your body becoming more relaxed with every breath. Now, I invite you to visualize a warm, golden light above your head. This light represents positive energy and love. With each inhale, imagine this light slowly descending, filling your body with warmth and positivity. As it flows down, feel it energizing your mind, your heart, and every cell in your body. Picture it washing away doubts and fears, leaving you feeling light and vibrant. Let this light envelop you completely, radiating through you. Now, let's embrace some affirmations. Repeat these silently in your mind or aloud if you feel comfortable. I am a magnet for positive energy. I embrace happiness and joy in my life. I release all negativity and invite positivity. I am worthy of love, peace, and success. Feel each affirmation resonating within you, solidifying the positive energy you've cultivated. Now, take a moment to deepen this experience. Focus on the sensations in your body. Notice the areas that feel tense or tight, and consciously release that tension. Imagine it melting away. Feel your body becoming lighter with every breath. You are filled with energy, and it flows effortlessly through you. Allow this positive energy to radiate from your heart, expanding outward, touching everything and everyone around you. As we start to bring this meditation to a close, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes. When you feel ready, open your eyes. Carry this sense of positive energy with you throughout your day. Remember, you can return to this state of calm whenever you need it. Thank you for joining this guided meditation. If you found value in this practice, please like this video and subscribe for more meditations. Remember, the positive energy you cultivate can impact your day and those around you. Until next time, take care of yourself and spread positivity wherever you go.